Artificial intelligence is transforming the way people create content. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use a free AI platform to generate high-quality videos. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way people create content. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use a free AI platform.
Yes, and the new AI platform is called Testideo.ai. So open to your browser and type it, and this is the interface it's going to give you. As always, do well to always sign in or log in when you enter into a platform. Once you sign in into this platform, you'll be given free credits, and it also has daily credits. Yeah, so let's sign in. This is me signing in with my Gmail. Once I sign in, you can see my Gmail automatically just appeared P. Now the next thing you do is to tap on these three dots. Then you'd see explore video AI, image AI tools. This is what you're going to see typically. Then you tap on the video AI. It will show you this text to video, image to video, video. Then we'll tap on text to video. We're not going to be creating any image. We're just going to be dropping a prompt and creating a video straight up. Now this is how the interface looks like when you tap on that text to video. Then you see that place where they wrote model. Yes, you tap on that place and you see all the AI tools you can use to create any video of your choice. There is Sora, there is Kling, there is Awilo, there's Grok AI, there's Seedance, there's Picverse, there is Seedance Fast, there's Grok AI, there's Kling, there's One, there is Pixelverse, there is try something something. Okay, there's even Google, there's Gemini. Guys, you have so many AI tools to explore to create your video, but for this we're going to be using Grok AI. So I tapped on Grok AI. Okay, and I went to ChatGPT and I told this the story I want. This is the story I typed for ChatGPT. So I told ChatGPT to arrange it for me, then give me the prompt, okay, the image and video prompt, the sound prompt, the environmental prompt. See, there's nothing you cannot ask ChatGPT. I told it to even give me camera animations angle prompt. I told it to give me environmental prompt. Okay, this was what ChatGPT gave me, and I copied it. You can just go through my prompt. You can pause it and go through my prompt. I copied all the prompts, as you can see. Then I went back to the platform that we're going to be using to generate the video. This time around, we're not generating any image. We're just going to be going straight to video because this app does it all. This app does, so you don't have to generate image. You can just copy your prompt and paste it and generate your video once. So that's what we're doing. I copied the prompt, went back to the platform, then I pasted it, as you can see. Then I scroll down, you select your resolution, you select your duration, you select your aspect ratio, then you generate. Look at my video is already generating, and it will not even take time. Depends on how fast your network is. We're all in Nigeria, so Nigerian network can be sometimes. And immediately my video came up, and this is it. Once your video is ready, the next thing to do is save to your phone. Now we're going to create another video just so you guys can be familiar with this platform. As always, you tap on that three dots, it will show you a new interface. You tap on text to video. Okay, you select your AI tools. We're still going to be using, no, let's use Google Veo for this one. So you tap on any AI tool you want to use, then you go to your ChatGPT to copy your prompt. That's just what we're doing here. I opened my ChatGPT app. I told it the story I wanted to generate for me about an African female scientist inside a futuristic AI laboratory. You can just go through my prompt. You can use the same prompt, or you can use it to form your own prompt. Okay, I know you must have a lot of story ideas, so just tweak around it, play around it, and ChatGPT will do the rest for you. It gave me the same prompt, it gave me the dialogue. Okay, and all I had to do was copy it and go back to the platform and paste it's there. Then I arrange the aspect ratio and everything I need to arrange. Okay, your duration, your resolution, everything. Then I generated the video, and this is what it gave me. Now if you want to know how to check your credit, you see this place where they wrote P. I don't know if you guys can see it. P. You tap on it, then it will show you how many credits you have. That's what I did there. It showed me how many credits I have, so that as I'm creating my videos, I'll be able to know how many credits I'm using, how my credits is going, and watch the video.
Artificial intelligence is transforming the way people create content. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use a free AI platform. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way people create content. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use a free AI platform.
Now
Artificial
save the video to your phone. Then you see that P I told you guys about, you tap on it, you see your credit, see sign out down here. You tap on sign out. Then when you sign out, this is the interface to give you. You will tap on those three dots by the side. You see sign in by the down. You tap on sign in. Then you sign in with another Google. So this method I just taught you now is if you want to get another credit, okay? Maybe the credit you use is already exhausted here. All you just need to do is sign out of the email that you are using previously and sign it to a new email. And automatically, they would give you more credit. Look at now, they've given me 120 credits. Before it was 35 credits, now they're giving me more credits, okay? This is how you can get more credit to generate more videos and images. Now, we're going to be doing text to image, okay? I'm not going to be doing video. Now, let me show you how to use it to create an image. When you tap on that text to image, this is it. You select your model, the AI tool, then you go back to ChatGPT and copy your prompts. I copied the scene prompt, I pasted it, I selected the aspect ratio, as you can see, the output format, then I generated the image. It's just as easy as that. So you can use this platform to generate videos, to generate images, any one you like. Now I tried another AI tool here, as you can see, and this is the image generating. Very clear, beautiful, and nice image. This is the image, as you can see. Then the next thing you need to do is to save it to your phone. Now that we have an image, let's also generate another image with ChatGPT and compare. Then you will tell me the one you like most in the comment section. So I just went to my ChatGPT, I copied the scene prompt, I pasted it back on ChatGPT. Then at the upper part, I wrote create an image for me using this scene prompt. So you see, it's exactly what I did. You just have to follow this step. It's so easy. When you tell ChatGPT this, you send it to generate an image for you. Now I prefer this image that ChatGPT gave me than the image that this app gave me. So I'm going to be using the image ChatGPT gave me. Then I'm going to just tap on image to video when I get to the platform. Then it will show you the AI tool that you want to use. Me, I selected the AI tool. Which one should we use? Should we use Seedance or Veo? I selected the AI tool I wanted to use. Then you see a place they wrote upload original image. You tap on it, it will open photo library, take photo, choose files. You can just open anywhere where your image is. My own is in the library, so I just tapped on it and uploaded the image. I went back to ChatGPT to copy the dialogue I wanted to use for the video. Then I pasted it. This is the image ChatGPT gave me, the dialogue prompt. Then I selected the aspect ratio, duration, and everything. Then I generated the image. Once your image gets generated, all you need to do is just save it to your phone. Then you can go to CapCut and join all the clips that you've made together, edit it beautifully, and post to any social media
people create
platform.
content. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use a free AI platform to generate high-quality videos. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way people create content. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use a free AI platform to generate high-quality
To
videos.
remove any watermark, just zoom in your video a bit and the watermark sign will disappear. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. I'll do it to answer. Thanks for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate your like, comment, and subscription. Bye. See you in my next video, guys.